a powerful symbol of history and resilience, is the Chinese Military Museum in Beijing. This museum preserves invaluable collections and records of China's struggle during the Second World War, offering lessons that resonate far beyond its borders and right here in the Caribbean. Marlon Samuels paid a visit to the museum and he filed this report.
The museum houses thousands of items, military uniforms, weapons, photographs, and personal records, each telling a story of bravery and perseverance. These collections not only honor those who fought, but also serve as a vital educational resource for future generations.
Even though I started to learn the history of China and the history of the CPC, but for all the knowledges and all the limited pictures are from the textbook. But if I come here, I can have more abundant sources and also from different angles and more detailed perspectives into more specific areas. For example, the lift people from poverty. I believe it's on the third floor. We can see more female presence there, and to know the names of the heroes and sheroes who provided help to the mass there from that floor. And personally, it made me feel the history is not that far away. This exhibition also helped me to immerse into the story back then.
What makes this museum even more significant is its role in documenting history, preserving the struggles, victories, and sacrifices that define the nation's resilience. It's a reminder that record keeping and preserving history are essential tools for understanding our past and shaping our future. The Chinese Military Museum's vast collections remind us of the power of history and record keeping, values that Caribbean nations cherish as we preserve our own stories of resilience and independence. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting from Beijing, China, for the news on PBCJ.